Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert these numbers into currency format. In a first instance, it looks like it's just these are just random numbers. So by using text formula, you can actually convert all these numbers to currency. So to do that, first I'll select the cell reference which I want to convert. Then I want to convert this into US dollars, so I will select US dollar. First of all, we need quotes, double quotes, and then dollar, add hash, then comma. So whatever format I'm giving here, that is taken as a reference for the number in the next column. So the same format will be repeated. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. So now you can see the format is applied over here. I added .00 towards ending of this currency, and I have added the dollar symbol. Now if you want to repeat the same thing for rest of your numbers, you can drag this formula or else apply array formula. So you can apply array formula, click on it, then text, select text function, then select the reference, and then the format which I told you earlier, double quotes, dollar, hash, then 3 hash, so that it will so it can add comma after 3 digits. Then I'm going to add 00, so it will look a nice format. Okay, now here the problem is I have to select the range K7 to, let's assume, till K100. Okay, now if I apply the formula, now you can see the formula is applied till 100 rows. Now if you add something over here, hit enter, automatically converted into currency format. So there is if you have huge data, you can use this formula, but let's say you have only one single instance where you want to convert the number as a currency format. So writing a formula is a bad idea for one single instance. To do that, just click on format, number, and then click on currency. That's it. Now your number is converted as a currency. So for single instance, you can go to format and change the format as currency, but when it comes to huge data, so every time going to format and changing the format is kind of difficult. So we write a formula which imitate for rest of the cells, and array formula which furthermore reduces the difficulty. So you just need to enter, don't need to write a formula or drag it, just write the, let's say this one, enter, and boom, so you have automated your formula. So this is how you can automate every formula in your Google Sheet using array formula. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching.